Hey everyone, Billy Folks here with MarineMax Houston. Today I wanted to show you a 2020 19 SPX by Sea Ray Boats. First thing I want to point out to you guys is the swim platform back there in the back. It does have sea deck throughout, all the way down through this walkthrough and into the cabin. This is the new stone gray interior offered by Sea Ray for the 2020 model year. Very nice color, very easy on the eyes, like everything about it. As you come into the boat, or first thing I'll point out to you guys is this boat was optioned with the elevation package, which has the water sports tower and the bimini top. The bimini top does collapse if you want to catch a little more sun, and this tower does fold down, almost level with the windshield. Coming into the boat now, we do have the captain's chair with the flip-up bolster. Right here we do have the tilt steering wheel, Simrad Go 5, your displays with your instrumentation in them and everything like that, and all the switches at arm's length. Of course, there's a cup holder right here. There's cup holders throughout the boat as well. You got to have those. This chair does fold out of the way, so if you want somewhere to put your legs, or if you want to lounge out, you can leave the cushion in. Got a nice glove box right here. Additional storage under this helm. And moving to the front, storage under both of these seats. And this removes so you can easily get in and out of the bow of the boat. You guys, this is Billy Folks with MarineMax Houston showing you the 2020 Sea Ray 19 SPX. Come by and see us soon.